So this looks a bit harsh, but when you are in 8 hours,
Oh yeah.
if you have a fast charge. There you have also the hitch and some tire change repair sets.
Oh, yeah.
And you also have towing hook.
Oh yeah, they're doing.
This is a special key for one of the lock bolts on each wheel. And as you will see, you will get a white light here blinking, communicating with the charging station. And once it's started, it will start pulsating green here. So you can see, it's just gonna stay in that. That's the heating of the front windshield here. So you turn it like that to get it into gear. If you hold in the brake pedal now, that's the gas. Yep. Now we have started the car. Just hold the brake. Now it's in drive. Yeah. And if you put it, twist it back one more time, back like this. Now it's in drive. Now it's in reverse. Now you can see the rear view camera. So here you have the rear view camera. You can also have the towing hook assistant and also the 180 degree. And with that button, park button, now you can go up.
No, it's fine.
Yes. Recuperation for if you're driving a steep hill, you can only use the B to brake instead of the normal.
Okay.
Now we press the P again and ready. Just release the brake pedal now and touch it. The idea is like that. When you sit in the car awakes. When you press in the brake pedal, the car starts.
Yeah.
And then you choose the gear. So when you're about to go out of the car, you just press on the left side. You have battery details and speed details in the middle. And here you have driving data. And when the car is off.
And what is this one?
That's just saying that we don't have our seatbelts on.
Oh yeah. Yes.
Press set, which is on the left one, and you use plus and minus to up the speed.
And this one?
And this one is just when you're listening to Spotify or a radio channel, you use the arrows, and you have a heating in the steering wheel here.
This one? Oh, this one? Okay, yeah.
And you also have, you can talk to Siri on your phone, or you have
the Siri, the Samsung,
and the assistant here, that's called. And you have volume on the radio. So now we're coming to this screen here. Multimedia system. I want you to go and you have to read the QR code there. You have to keep a track of your car. It's syncing now. It takes you a couple of minutes, and you can start all of the settings you can do for the car. Driving lights. Just do some setting. The driving mode that you're in, it will always start in comfort, but if you want to sport, you have a bit more torque in the engine. You have the bit more engine brake when you're releasing the.
Which one is better?
Oh, I only drive in comfort. But if I'm going on a little here, and we have seats which you can do adjustments, users which were on before. You can change the background colors, now it's blue, and you also have lighting through the dash here, also in the doors and on all the way down.
Because airbag?
Yeah, it's airbags all over the car. So the other most important thing is climatronic, and here we have all the settings you can have. You have the steering wheel heating, of course. You have the seat heating, 3 degrees of heat. And you have the auto function, which is the best, and you also have to have the AC turned on. If it's really hot in the car, you turn it on AC max. That was what we felt before when you push the heating button. Full force in the wind, and you can also preheat, blur, so you can turn you can see fresh air or rapid cooling.
मामाजी कङ्ग्रेचुलेसन
थ्याङ्क यू म्याम थ्याङ्क यू
गुड लक के हो भने गाडी त पुरा प्लेनै जस्तो छ त सिस्टम त हेर्नु त ब्युटिफुल